Hey, it's good to have you here. So let me guess. You've been running meta ads, maybe for your brand or for a client, and lately it just feels like you're throwing money into a fire. CPMs are getting higher. The ads you thought were solid barely get clicks, and even when you think you nailed the creative, nothing seems to convert. You're not alone. This isn't a you problem. It's a platform problem, and it's happening to almost everyone I talk to who's still using the same strategies they were back in 2023. The reality is Meta has changed. A lot. The feed isn't built around social updates anymore. It's built around entertainment. Scroll through your feed and it's no longer just selfies or family posts. It's punchy, fast-moving, emotionally charged content. That means if your ad doesn't stop someone in their tracks within the first 2 seconds, you're done. The algorithm skips right over you. And worse, so does your audience. What worked even 6 months ago? It doesn't work anymore. Those copy-paste UGC clips with the same recycled voiceover and talking head format? They're blending in. Everyone's using the same templates, the same music, the same angles. And it's all getting ignored. That's exactly where I was before I came across something called prompt-to-profit ads. And honestly, I didn't expect much. Another system? Another AI thing? I've tried a lot of them. But this one's different. It doesn't just promise results. It actually delivers a full, done-for-you process that completely shifts how you create ad content. Here's how it works. It starts by flipping the script. Instead of you brainstorming angles, hooks, or audience pain points, which, let's be real, can take hours and still feel like guesswork, you use a custom GPT built specifically to uncover emotional buying triggers. It finds exactly what your audience wants to hear, how they want to hear it, and what words make them click. And I mean in seconds, not hours. From there, the second GPT kicks in. It writes your ad script for you, using proven frameworks that were built from over 8 figures in real ad spend. So these aren't just random templates or generic copy formulas. They're ad flows that have already worked at scale, tested and refined through actual paid traffic. Think powerful hooks, frictionless transitions, and clear calls to action, all written automatically. Now here's where it gets kind of crazy. Once you've got your script, you plug it into Google's VO3 engine. This thing turns your script into a Hollywood-style spokesperson video, completely AI-generated. No studio, no cameras, no actors. It's literally just drop the script in, pick a voice and style, and hit generate. The videos are sharp, they look expensive, they sound confident, and they're ready to publish in under 10 minutes. And if you want to take it even further, there are Canva templates included that let you drop in your CTA, headlines, and motion graphics to polish it off. So the end result? You've got a professional, scroll-stopping ad that looks like it cost 10 grand, and you made it in less time than it takes to get a coffee. But what really blew me away wasn't just the speed. It was how good the ads looked, and how quickly they started performing. Like actually driving clicks, lowering my cost per lead, and getting engagement that didn't look like bots or pity likes. You don't need editing skills, you don't need a production crew, and you definitely don't need to spend a fortune. The system is hosted in Notion, super clean, easy to follow, and zero overwhelm. Every tool it uses, like GPT, VO3, and Canva, has a free version. So even if you're on a budget, you can launch real ads without spending another dime beyond the one-time cost of the system. And yeah, that cost? It's $27, not per month, not with a subscription, just a single payment to unlock the entire thing. No upsells, no hidden fees, just everything you need in one place. What I love most about it is that it puts the power back in your hands. You're not waiting 2 weeks for a freelancer to deliver a maybe it'll work video. You're not chasing trends on TikTok hoping something sticks. You're not guessing, you're creating fast. And it actually works. So if you're a founder, a marketer, or even running ads for clients and you're tired of the creative bottleneck, prompt-to-profit ads might just be the best thing you add to your stack this year. I've used it, I've tested it, and say it gives you everything you need to compete at the level of big-budget brands, without needing big-budget resources. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If this sounds like something you want to check out, I've dropped the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or drop a comment if you've got questions. Always happy to help. See you in the next one.